Okay guys, so we're here, day 6. So, tingnan natin, medyo lumaki na yung ano natin, yung ating ano yan, 8,429 na dahil sa commission natin. May commission tayo everyday, 8,429. Napakabilis lumaki, gravity. Okay, laro na ulit tayo. So, yun pa rin yung strategy natin. Maganda dito using their technology versus them. Talo tayo dito. Unang tira talo agad. So, target tayo ng 500. Yung isa panalo. Pag natalo tayo, di mamaya na lang. Bawiin ko na lang mamaya. 1,550. Okay. Dalawa na. Naka 2 units na agad tayo. Ang bilis lang, di ba? Okay, 3 units. 3 units in the bag. So, 8,300. 8,385. So, gawin na natin 9,000 para iwanan natin ng 8,500. So, okay. So, let's go. So, ingat nga pala dun sa tatamaan ng bagyo. So, walang pasok na dito yung elementary. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin. Let's use their technology against them. So, Evolution Gaming had this multiple table. So, it's faster here. Instead of waiting for four player in a row in a single shoe, they just got this. They have this. But still, we have to wait. Sometimes there's no good road. So, it's here. So, again, if you are interested in playing where I play, just comment down below so that we can talk. Or if you want, you have something to say about my strategy to improve it, so still comment down below. So I won't bet here because the shoe is almost over. We can get trapped. Okay, we can get trapped here. It's a win sana, pero we can get trapped there. That's why I don't bet there. Okay. Always 8 baccarat. Maybe I'll bet here. Always 8 baccarat. But the win is so small. I think ang tawag dito, I think the house have a high edge here. But you always have 8. Oh, we lost. I won't bet again there. I have 3. We have 4. I will just bet 4 because it's hard to monitor. We lost there. It's very hard to monitor. Okay, we won 1. We won 2. But we lost here. We won 2, but we lost 2. Okay. We won here. It's a tie here. Okay, we didn't able to bet here kanina. It's so fast, like fast. Okay, we just need 9. Back-to-back loss. Okay. It's a tie. Oh no. Oh, I still win. Okay. We have 2 here. It's a tie. So fast. We already had 8, 7, 9. Oh my. We lost here. We lost so bad. Mm-hmm. Okay. Where are we? We got 4 bets. Another loss there. Another loss. I think we lost 100 here, so we bet 200. Another loss. Let's see. Oh, 100, so we bet 200. It's correct. Picture. Nice one. Oh, no, we lost. How much did we lose here? 100, so we bet 200. That's another loss here. I think if we get this 2, it's done. So we just finish this 2, 3. Okay, we won here. We just finished this 2, and we're done for today. We got our units. Okay, here we finish here. Last one here. Not yet. We bet 1. Still need 1 to have 9,000. So matagal. Okay, we won that. Oh no, it's a tie. We got 9,000 already, so it's over. So that's all for today, guys. I'm gonna cash out 500. I'm gonna record it. 9,099. 9099. Okay, that's all for today.